What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Honda remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Honda vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to take replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and the emergency key will slide out like that. And we can just set that to the side. Now you're going to want to grab a small flathead screwdriver, or even maybe like a knife or something with a small blade. And if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing up, and we take a look at the bottom, what we're going to do is put see if the camera will pick this up. We're going to put the blade of the screwdriver between this top plastic piece and this silver metal piece right here. So we're going to put it in there like that, and then we're just going to pry up. And as you see, it'll pop the front up. Go ahead and pull the front cover off. And then we can empty the circuit board out of there. And we see our battery right here. You can use that flathead screwdriver to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of the holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. Now we'll grab the front of the fob, hold it with the buttons facing down like this, and seat this circuit board in that rubber piece. And because the shape of it, it can really only sit in there one way. Once you get that seated in there, grab the back of the fob case, and we'll snap it on. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.